Alright guys, we back for another video. And as always, man, y'all know the drill. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you like the video. And make sure that you hit that notification bell to stay in tune with all the latest uploads, all the latest videos. You know, I've been doing my best with trying to bring y'all content on the regular for all Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe owners, Suburban, you know, all us guys, man. I've been trying to, bring y'all some good content, man. Yeah, so today we will be unboxing these dark smoke tail lights. Seem like I've been buying parts every other week, but it's all to the good. It's for my pleasure, for you guys' pleasure. So we gonna rock out, man. And as y'all can see, we got the tail lights in the mail. They looking good. I went with the dark smoke because I don't have much red on my truck. It's not a Z71, so I did not feel the need to have red tail lights. You know what I mean? I went with the dark smoke. I also got black. Also have black fender flares as well. So I thought the tail lights would look good with the fender flares whenever I got them installed. So stay tuned. All right, just to show y'all what we're doing, we're taking off this bolt right here. That bolt right there. Other side, same thing. This bolt right here. This one ain't got a bolt. But as soon as we do it, we'll be right back. Let's try to see how it looks. Alright guys, we got the tail lights installed. And I must say, man, they are looking good. Exactly what I wanted, exactly what I was looking for. So I'm impressed, man. I'm happy. I'm gonna wrap the video up, but as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and I'm out.